James Williams here. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Power Lead system, and I'm going to be mainly focusing today on the back office and all of these buttons here. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the gold, the diamond, the platinum, and the Master Traffic Institute. When you come into the Power Lead system and you come in as a gold member, what you earn really is, I'm going to sum it up for you real quickly. You earn $20 commission on each one of your team members that upgrade to the gold level and they stay in your team. If they stay on your team, for each one of those members, you are going to earn $20 per month. It may not seem like a lot to you, but that is a lot of money if you have a lot of people in your team. So the gold member, once again, you're going to earn $20 per month as long as they stay on your team. Now, the diamond level. The diamond level, you're going to earn $100 for each one of your team members that upgrade to the diamond level. $100. And once again, if you got members on your team, a lot of members on your team that upgrade to the diamond level, you're going to earn $100. For the platinum, if any one of your members upgrade to the platinum level, you're going to earn $400. $400 commission. That's $20 commission for the gold level. That's a $100 commission for the diamond level, and $400 for the platinum level. Master Traffic Institute. You're going to earn $1,000 commission. So one of your members upgrade to the Master Traffic Institute, you're going to earn $1,000. Now that's a lot. Now, but what you need to keep in mind though is, let's just say that you came in at the gold level. You came in at the gold level, and today you had a member on your team that came in at the gold level and they bought the diamond level. You just lost a $100 commission. Once again, that same member that came in, you came in as a gold member, and you had another member that came in, they became a diamond member, they became a platinum member. You have just now lost a $100 commission and a $400 commission. And same example, you at the gold level, and all of a sudden you had a member that came in at the gold level, the diamond level, the platinum level, and they decided that they were going to buy the Master Traffic Institute. You just lost a $1,000 commission. Think about that. You lost a $1,000 commission. You lost it because you are not all in. When you first come into the Power Lead system, you see all of my buttons, they're green. Normally all the buttons are red. As you upgrade, they turn to green. So now you can sort of see how powerful this is. You know, now not everybody can come in and get all in. But when you get all in, you leverage yourself at the highest level. Now, some people can't go to the highest level and they can only go to the gold level. Well, that's okay. They can go to the gold level, but just you keep in mind that if you are all in, now you can earn commissions at the lower level, which is the gold level. You can earn commissions at the mid level, which is the diamond and platinum level. And you can earn level at the highest level, being the Master Traffic Institute. And that's where you really want to be. You want to be at the highest level and leverage your ability to make money at that level. And that's the bottom line. You want to be at that level. And that's why I tell all of my members to get in and get at the highest level as soon as they can. That way you start off at the right level, you start off on the right foot, and you start off making money at the highest level. I will give you a story of what happened to me before. I came in at the gold level, and I decided that I didn't want to go any further. And I had a diamond member and a platinum member came in, and my sponsor, Sean Powell, got the commissions. So I told myself I wasn't going to ever let that happen to me again. So what I just wanted to do today was sort of paint that picture for you on how much you can earn with each one of the levels and what happens if you're not all in. And I really hope that it was beneficial to you. I hope you got something out of this. And please subscribe to my list, sign up. But once again, if you truly are really want the Power Lead system to be your business of choice, then my recommendation for you or anyone else is to come in at the highest level and get all in. I will see you on the next video. See you later. Thank you.